Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here, and I'm gonna give you another video of my Extreme Clean series. I post cleaning motivation weekly, so if you're into this kind of content, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. Here I'm starting off in my kitchen with some vinegar and baking soda. And guys, please, if you do this at home, use way less baking soda than I did literally in this entire video because I used way too much. I had never cleaned with baking soda before, but now I learned my lesson. Alright, right here I used a little bit of baking soda and vinegar on the stains on my countertops, and honestly, this is such a cheap material that was used on these countertops, so it gets very stained very easily. And this baking soda and vinegar definitely did the job of getting out those red stains. So if you can tell, now I have been using way too much baking soda and way too much baking soda. Just look at that, guys. That's a whole mound of baking soda. No wonder I was scrubbing for days. But you know what it did do? It exfoliated that paint off the corner of my counter. So I am kind of grateful for that. Alrighty, so right here I'm going in and I'm cleaning this little wood tray with some Miss Meyer's lemon verbena or verbena. Correct me in the comments if I said it right the first or second time, if I said it right at all. And guys, this is such a good scent. I tried the lavender, but honestly, your girl does not like lavender, so this one is definitely my favorite so far. So right here, I'm just going in with way too much baking soda yet again on my stove, and I'm going to clean that. Definitely got really deeply clean because it took a lot of scrubbing to get that baking soda off. I honestly still think my favorite product to use on my stove is my Lysol cleaning spray. Not the spray that you spray on the doorknobs, the spray that comes in the bottles that is actually meant for cleaning. I find that it left my oven the most streak-free. But honestly, guys, if I used less baking soda, this probably would have worked out just fine. So unfortunately, guys, my camera did shut off, so you guys didn't get to see me put my stove back together. But I just sprayed it with Miss Meyer's, got all the little grains off, and then I moved on to my oven. So right here, I'm just taking some Dollar Tree little grill and oven cleaner, and I'm gonna clean out my oven. Guys, this was so gross. Honestly, I really should be doing this more often because it was disgusting. All right, viewers' discretion is advised because you are going to see something very gross. Oh, yep, there it is. So gross. Guys, if you haven't cleaned your oven and it's been a minute, you need to go there right now and you need to clean your oven because, guys, it is not looking pretty. So now I'm just going to pan over my kitchen really quickly and show you guys what it looks like now that it's all clean. And now we're just going to move along to the rest of the house. So after all the effort to use natural products, I do have to use this disinfecting spray on my table because coronavirus is still an event here. And guys, honestly, stuff ends up on the table that's really questionable, like keys, wallets, phones. So I just need to use disinfecting sprays. So now we are in my living room and you're gonna see that today is not as sloppy, but we are gonna clean a little deeper and we are gonna take off my couch cushions and vacuum my couch. So here is my fiance. His name's Jordan. Obviously you didn't see his face, but he was just leaving to go to the store and pick up some groceries. You are gonna see a little grocery haul and you're gonna watch me disinfect my groceries in a minute when he comes home. So stay tuned for that. I honestly just hate this vacuum. It's like, I don't even know why it's not even showing anything being sucked up, but yes, things are getting sucked up, but probably not into the right compartment, you know? So your girl is definitely going to be investing in a new vacuum soon. I'm trying to tell my fiance that I want one of those Dyson ones, but we'll see what's in our price range. Alright guys, so if you notice, I am now wearing gloves when I wasn't wearing gloves earlier when I was working with the baking soda and vinegar. Worst mistake ever, guys. Please, again, I'm sorry if I haven't said this sooner, but if you're going to spray that stuff, I highly suggest you wear gloves. So I haven't had this bar that long, but you know, dust does collect, so I am just cleaning out my bar a little bit and cleaning the mirrors. So you're gonna see me do that here. Comment down below if you guys also have a little corner bar and how you style it, because I just love it. I think it's such a statement in my living room. I mean, it took up space and I knew it was going to take up space, but I do really enjoy having it there. Even though I don't drink coffee often or drink alcohol often, I still think it's really pretty and nice to have. So here I'm just going in with some vinegar and water spray, and I'm going to dust off my my TV stand. And guys, I'm so sad to say it, but my Xbox 360 probably had it over 10 years now. It finally entered the circle of death. You know, when the red little dots replace the green dots around the circle and it just burns out. I mean, it had like the worst chemical smell, and it was so sad because me and my sister, we wanted to play The Sims 3 that I've had for years, and it just burned out on us, and that was it. Speaking of things burning out on us, my candle is on its last legs here. Alright guys, so what you can see of this recording before it shuts off on me is me disinfecting my groceries during this COVID-19 pandemic with, you know, the usual Clorox wipes. Okay, here is what I am cooking up for dinner. Something real simple tonight. Just gonna take some ground beef that I had from Sam's Club, and I am gonna cook this up in the skillet and make some tacos. First, I am just breaking up the pieces and I'm just browning it, adding some adobe. This is our favorite seasoning. You can find it in the Hispanic food section aisle at pretty much anywhere. And then you just add some lime juice and you're good to go. The adobe already has salt in it, so I didn't add any of that. And I'm just cooking it up, and I drained a little bit of the grease, what I can get out. Finish, frying it up and turn off the heat. Now coming over to my favorite little skillet here that I can put 4, not 1, not 2, but 4 corn tortillas on at once. And I put some olive oil on each side of the tortilla and I just fry them. So unfortunately, this video had to be cut short. I ran out of space and storage on my phone, so I will be uploading a separate video showing you guys my bathroom and how I clean my bathroom and my bedroom. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to see more content from me. And thank you guys so much for watching.